This is BBC One. And now, the next programme.
It was in 1907 that Johann Klauber decided to make his historic move from astrophysics into etymology. Inspired by the work of Dr. Krickstein, he moved from Munich to Heidelberg to pursue a path which would, in January 1909, lead to his seminal paper, A Short Journey in Linguistic Metaphysics.
Never mind that fish face, it's time for comic relief!
Well, good evening.
We've been away for a whole year, but now we're back. Put out the cat.
Yes, put on the amusing hat, because now it's time for comic relief.